Hello guys, good morning to everyone. My name is Venkat. Today we are going to discuss about device collections. This comes under assets and compliance, under devices. Let me click again. Devices, under device collections. Okay. In the last episode, what we have discussed is like about boundaries and boundary groups. And in this session we are going to discuss about device collections. Here first I would like to make sure that we are not going to discuss about the how to create queries, all that. We are not going to discuss about that stuff in part 1. In part 2 we will try to cover that. In part 1, first of all, we need to check how we are going to do create this collection and what are the options that are available to us. Okay, let's start. See, first of all, here you can see all systems, 8 machines are there and members visible on site 8. Okay, and reference collection is 0. So this one, how the all system collection is taking all these records. These records are coming into the all system device collections. It depends on discovery methods. Since here we enable system discovery and group discovery, okay, this will automatically run full discovery every time based on our schedule, how we schedule. Okay, let me check what is the schedule. Delta discovery every 5 minutes and occurs every full discovery will be occurred every 1 day. So that is the reason if there is any new machine or something added in Active Directory, then automatically it will come into, depends on how you set your path. Okay, here as I can see the path is like I gave the root path of our Active Directory. So wherever the folder, whatever the OU, if any new machine added in that, automatically it will come to the all system collection. That is the first point. So because here you can't see that any query or nothing, right? Membership rules. Okay, even see edit, everything is grey out. The reason is means you may get the doubt, how come these 8 machines, how come this all system collection able to retrieve this 8 machines information. Okay, this is the first question that always we will face. The answer is it's all depends on your discovery methods. Okay, system discovery method or group discovery method, it depends on that. So how you schedule or how you pointed it, based on that your collections will be visible, mainly your all system. Okay, so once you have cleared this doubt how these machines will appear here, then remaining thing is very easy. Now see, these are the default, all these 4 are default collections. So that means we can't create new one. No, it is not like that. We can create new collections. We can create new collections in different ways. Okay, let me quickly create one device collection. We will discuss each and every topic while we are going to create. Okay, so it will be more easy for us to understand. For example, client machines, let me put like this, comment client machines which are desktops, okay, like this. And what is this limiting collection? Let me check. For example, here what is the reason that you are creating a device collection? we are creating a device collection to sort it out some class. Okay, to sort it out some class, like means you want to gather all kind of same kind of machines into one collection. So that is the reason you are creating device collection, right? So when you are trying to gather, actually there are number of machines are there. Let's say in all systems. In all systems, when I say all systems, it might be client machines, it might be servers, it might be having clients or no clients, anything, right? So that is the reason the meaning of all systems. All system means it's a gathering of all machines. So from this pool, I want to pick only client machines which are desktops. That is what my intention. Okay, that is what my goal now. So when I said that from this pool, that means I want to point out this one. How you are going to point out? That option is nothing but limiting collection. So when I click browse, click all systems, click OK. What does it mean now? When I put limiting collection is all systems, then whatever the query that we are going to create later time, it will go to the all systems, and from all system collections it will pick your machines. For example, let's say there is no desktops in all systems, okay, which are client machines, there are no desktops. Then what it will do? It won't pick anything. Okay, that's how it works. That is the meaning of limiting collection. Then click next. Okay, here we need to add the membership rule. Membership rule you can use several types. One is direct rule, query rule, or include collection, exclude collection, device category rule, anything. Okay, first let me check direct rule. Direct rule. This is most simple thing, but most of the times we always depends on query rule. Means in production point we will depends on query rule. Let's see first direct rule, which is very easy to understand. Okay, resource class is system resource and attribute name is name. Okay, good. Let me put since what we are looking for, we are looking for desktops, right? Let me put desktops. Put desktops. Okay, so since we have given this information like desktop, then it will check with what are the machines name started with the desktop, or if anything is there, then it will prompt, or else no. Next, see, 2 machines are there. Okay, click next, next, close. That's all. Okay, now check here these 2 things. Use incremental updates for this collection. Schedule a full update on this collection. Okay, this one I think, is it right time to discuss about this? I don't think so. For now I don't want to discuss these 2. Okay, when we are discussing about query, then we will discuss. For now this is direct. Okay, click next, click next, close. Okay, see here you can see the waiting symbol. Just let's refresh. That's it. You can see 2 machines. Okay, just go to show members. Yeah, for now these 2 machines are offline. Is it true? Yeah, offline. Okay, now let's go to device collection again. Okay, let me create another machine, another device collection very quickly. Okay, active machines. Here whatever I'm doing, this is only for example, like to make you understand about the collection, but it doesn't mean that okay, this is the pathway that we need to create only like this. No, it is not the way. Okay, it is just for example. If you go to Google, type queries, you will get a lot, but I'm just trying to help you to understand how it works, what it works. Okay, comment. Machines which are having clients, okay, and the limiting collection again. What do you want to limit? Means what is your target? For me, again, it's all systems. If you want to put all desktops and servers, also fine. That means now whatever the collection you are going to create, it will look for all desktops and servers collection. Okay, it depends on your query. So if the machines are there in this collection, then it will pick. If it is not there, then it won't pick. Okay, if you put all systems, it will pick from that. Click next. Query rule, simple. When you see query rule, select star from SMS or system. Yeah. Edit query systems. Okay, if you click on show query language, whatever the query here it is, it will show you the original query, but no need to write any query here. Okay, you just go to criteria and click on new. From here you can see it. Okay, yeah. Attribute class, system, just go down, system resource. Okay, attribute, what do you want? Build, client type, client. I don't want client version, I want client. Am I right? Let's click client. That's it. Is equal to value 1. Okay, client is equal to 1. Click OK. Click OK. Enter a name. Oh, sorry. Active client. Click OK. Okay. Now this is the time to discuss about these two. Actually, last time when I'm creating client machines here, I said that no need to check these two, no point to discuss, right? The reason is, first we need to understand what it is, then you'll quickly understand this. Use incremental updates for this collection, schedule a full update for this collection. If you click on this, then it will get update, it will create a collections, and you can see collecval.log in the in your logs also. It will show you that whenever this schedule will trigger, it will check based on your query, is there any new machines are there or not. For example, when I create next and finish, it might pick some collections from this collection, and it will show you 1 or 2 machines are available, right? So when once you created like that, later on time, maybe in here the number of machines are increased. So that means you may need to create again, or you may need to add them manually. No need. Once you check on this, then after 7 days, or based on your customized schedule, like if you put 2 days, it will run again. So that means it will check, is there any new machine added in this collection? If added, then it will add into the new collection as well. For example, if you uncheck, if you check this one, use incremental updates, then what will happen is it will check, this collection will check into this collection, is there any new machines are there. It will keep check, means for every 15 minutes it will automatically will check for the new machines and it will add. Please take a note that this is not recommended until unless your collection is very very important, okay, or else it will for sure it will create a very high load. Okay, so I prefer, most of the times I prefer like this. You can put 1 day if you really feel important. Okay, so use incremental updates. This is most time, like for example, maybe you can use for patch collections but not for all. Okay, it all depends on your importance. For me, I won't, most of the times I won't recommend to my clients. Click next, close. Let's see, refresh. So see here, you can see here for these client machines you can see all systems limiting collection, but active machines you can see all desktop and server clients, which are this collection. Let me check, refresh. Okay, good. So active machines, active with client. Okay, see all these clients are there, means that means all on these machines clients are installed. That is the reason it's showing. Let me go to again. I want to show you one more thing. Okay, so far here reference collections are not there, right? So what does it mean? What is the reference? Reference means, let me create one more collection then. Create device collection. Okay, server explore. Machines which are having client, okay, let me take all systems only. Okay, here I would like to use the same query rule. Okay, let me quickly change, just let me desktop exclude. Okay, query rule, edit query system, system resource, client. Okay, hey, sorry, even you create from here also, it's easy. So many attribute classes are there. Let me click. Check for your system resource. Yes. Okay. Client and values 1. Okay. Correct. Yes. Same active machines. So it is the same query that we have used here. Okay, there is no doubt, same query that means which are the whatever the clients are installed on servers. If it is if the client is available or installed, then just pick that meshes. That is what this means, right? Click OK. And now here what I want to create a collection with a reference, either it is a include or exclude collections. Okay, when you exclude, for example, I would like to exclude this one. That means I want a machines which are having client, but I don't want to look into these client machines. I don't want same machines which are there in these client machines. Click OK. Right. Exclude. Yep. So that means it will exclude this client machine collection. That means what are the machines inside are there. If it is matching, then it won't take. That's a simple logic. That's all. I would like to put use incremental. Click next, next, close. That's all. Now see, desktop exclude collection created, but see here referenced collection is 1. Even you can use include or exclude, both, anything. If anything reference is there, for now for this collection reference collection is there. The reference collection is this. That means it will refer to this collection. It will point to the all systems, but it will refer to this collection. If machines are matching here, then it will exclude. That is the meaning of referenced collection. Okay, just refresh it. That's all. Actually query is same. Usually it must come with 4, but it came with 2. Let's see what are the members. Primary and secondary. That's all. Okay. If you go to active machines, you can see clients also. Desktop. Since we excluded this collection, it's automatically going to the other machines. That is the meaning of referenced collections. Okay, good. Okay, in this part, this is, I think this is enough. If you still want to know something new, let me show you quickly. What is the log that we can check? Program files, Microsoft configuration, logs, collection val, this one. Just see. Here you can see all these collection informations. And also, if you go to the inboxes, here you can see collecval.inbox, this one. For now it will be empty. Yeah, but when you create collecval.inbox, it will create a UDC files here, and with your collection, let me check, let me show you quickly. Let's create new one. Test, browse all systems, next. Okay, I don't want to add anything. Next. Okay, next, close. vk1, just remember this udc file vk1 000017. Okay, now see this collection id. Yes, see, so it will create a processing jobs here under inbox, and it will process. Once it is processed, that you can't see that what do you call that files. For example, if you feel that your collections are stuck, this is again trick, but please don't apply in your production. Okay, if you stuck, if you feel that your collection is not updating or something, then you can simply drop a udc file here under collection well. That is also very good idea actually. Let's create new, go to test document. Okay, just click view here. Right. File name extensions. Okay, I'm copying this collection ID, rename, paste, udc. That's all. So that means what it will do is, like, it will process this collection again. It will quickly trigger this collection again to update. If any backlog or any stack is there, then it will clear. That's all. See, yes, I want to change the extension. Like, see, udc file created. Once you restart, it will, yeah, it's gone already. See, yes, this is all about collections. And the next part, we will see the remaining options are available for collection. Thank you. Thanks for watching.